What is up, you guys? It's your girl TechWithNath, and today we're back with another video. Whoop, whoop. If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we got the business tea for free. I already know. And y'all, it's just a chill video today, y'all. I just want to come to you guys and just let you guys know my business update. What am I doing? How's everything going? Stuff like that. So currently I am rebranding my business right now, actually. And you're like, oh my gosh, how many times are you gonna rebrand your business? Girl, as much times as I want to. I'm just joking. I just want to have a luxurious feel for my brand, so I'm rebranding the packaging, rebranding the aesthetics, everything. So I'm pretty excited about that. That's what's been going on with my business side. But as for me, as for my personal brand, TechWithNath, as you guys know, I do so many things. But literally my main objective this year is to definitely help more people start their phone case business and like let them know how easy it is to have a successful phone case business. It's one thing to start your phone case business, but it's also another thing to, you know, keep going, advice on how to do branding, everything like that. So I just want to go through all my services that I provide. You're like, girl, this video is about you. Yes, it's about me, because I'm tired of y'all DMing me. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so this is like I said, a laid back video, you know, a chit chat video, just catching up with you guys because I missed you guys. Like, happy new year, like happy freaking new year. I hope you had an amazing holiday season, Thanksgiving, Christmas, everything like that. How y'all sales been doing? Let me know in the comments below, okay? But this is just like an update video about my business, about my personal brand, everything. Well, let's start off personal, because I don't think you guys know me personally. But for my holiday season, I definitely uploaded my birthday vlog if you want to check that out. We celebrated my 25th birthday. That bitch is old, y'all. I'm old. JK. But we celebrated my 25th birthday, and I kind of just spent Christmas. I took the Christmas off and spent it with my family, because family is so important to me. So I basically spent like a whole month in my hometown. I might have some vlogs here and there to show you guys how my hometown looks and everything like that. So make sure to subscribe. And y'all don't be watching my vlogs, like please watch it. Like, I'm trying to get on that personal note with you guys, okay? But definitely comment below if you watch my birthday vlog. Y'all know the theme was pink, because you know your girl like pink. If you watch my other videos, you'll see pink everywhere. So it was lit, it was good. Professionally now, about my business, I'm upgrading my brand. Like, I am taking it to like the luxurious kind of move. Like, I want everything to feel like the next Gucci, the next Chanel, like that's my move for 2022. Definitely, I just want, you know, it to be quality, definitely quality. Change it up, the cases I'm gonna be selling. Let me not say too much, cause you know, competition, I was watching, boo boo, but it's okay. I love y'all. I love y'all. Y'all are competition to me. Y'all, like, it's inspiration. So I hope I inspire people. That's definitely one of my goals for my personal brand too, is to help you guys, help more people start a phone case business, help more people run a successful phone case business. Because you know, it's one thing to start, but to keep going and having a motivation to keep going. Like, I know you might not be getting sales right now, sis, but you know, see the vision. I see your vision. I want to help you actually see your vision, because it takes other people to show you, like, hey, I see what you're doing, okay? You know, keep going, okay? But yeah, so like I said, I'm rebranding my phone case business just so you have like the luxurious type vibe. We are still going to be, when I say we are, like me and my team. Oh, if you're new here and you don't know what my business is, it's Taylor Tech Shop. You can follow me on my Instagram. We also have services for your phone case business as well. We provide wholesale, which is we sell sublimation blanks. If you want to have tempered glass sublimation blanks, we sell those, as well as if you want us to actually create the phone case for you. Y'all, Y'all know what I mean when I say we. Let me stop though. I do have a team, but I actually create the phone cases. Yeah, if you want me to create the actual phone case for you and then I ship it to you and you know send those to your customer, I do have a wholesale subscription program that will be linked in the description box below. You can read all about it, see if that's the right fit for your company. That price going up though. Like right now it's $4.99, but I want like serious people in there who is you know serious about their business, not just join it to like mama business and like, oh, what she got up in here, you know. I want serious people who will actually utilize the phone case subscription. So right now it's $4.99, but you know, maybe 2 weeks, I'll give you guys like, I'll post this video soon, so I'll give you guys like a month to go grab it. But after that, like anybody else who joined newly will definitely be, you know, charged more, because I'm trying to be serious here, okay? Also, I do have dropshipping services as well. If you don't know what dropshipping is when you order the phone case, which in this case I'm your supplier. You order your phone case from your supplier and then your supplier ships directly to customer. So in that case, I'll make that phone case for you in a box and everything without any of Taylor Texture branding. I won't include any branding from myself, but I will just send that to your customer just like that, just plain like that. But if you want to send me your marketing materials as well, so I can put in that box, you can do that as well, but of course it'll be an extra fee, because I don't want all your marketing materials up in here taking up space for free, okay? So you gotta pay the extra fee, period. You know, 2022 is all about know your worth. Charge your worth, know your worth, period. Anyway, I think my free advice days are done. Like if you want like the good business advice where I can work one-on-one with you and everything like that, you gotta pay. You gotta pay to play, you gotta pay to learn, you know, everything is shmoney. You gotta pay to make money, because I pay a lot of people. I had a lot of coaches as well myself, and I invested in myself in 2021 a lot. So don't ever be scared to invest yourself, y'all. TechWithNath is my personal brand. I help people start their phone case business if you're new here, or maybe you just start your phone case business, you know, journey, looking up a heap of YouTube videos and you came across mine. I help people start their phone case business as well as help them run a successful phone case business. So if you're interested in working in one-on-one with me, I do have my consultation link in the description box below. That price going up too soon because y'all, it's all about charging work. Like I've been like undercharging so much last year, and I don't know, I just wanted to help people, you know, who is starting off. So but I want serious people now. Like if you ain't willing to pay the price, then you got to go. So like I said, like I have my consultation link in the description box below, where you have like a 15 or 30-minute call with me. I'm on the video call too. Like I know some consultation which is just like a phone. I don't like consultations like that. I like to see you, I like you to see me, and I like to see you. If that makes sense. Or you don't have to put on your camera if you don't want to. It's not like a big deal, but yeah, it's like a video call, you know, helping you get on the right track, get your phone case business up and going, not have it in the back of your mind and not doing ish with it, okay? It's time to put our businesses on the front burner. What's after that? Yeah, so if you don't want to do the consultation, I do have a membership, which is basically a lot of phone case business owners. In this membership group, we talk daily. I give daily advice, you know, daily content ideas, everything like that. It's just a community for phone case business owners. You know, you share if you need help with marketing, if you need help with actually creating phone cases, if you need help with anything, to be honest, you can just post it in the group. I reply, my moderators in there reply and giving advice too. I have some good moderators, okay, y'all, top notch. Like they have their own businesses as well, but it's basically you get to communicate with me every day, to be honest. And I try to reply just like that, unless I'm like doing something else, but I usually reply within a few minutes or a few hours. It never goes like days by. So if you're interested in that too, it's lit over there. Like I love I love that group. I met some dope people, definitely. I'll link that in the description box below as well. And last but not least, what else I have? you're probably like, girl, I tell you, I be having so much resources that when people DM me and be like, I don't know what to do, I'm like, what do you mean you don't know what to do? Like, I have my YouTube, which is free. If you don't want to pay, it's free. You can watch my videos over and over again. I don't care. I have my consultation link, my membership group. I even have my ebook. If you like to read, if you're a reader and you're like, oh my gosh, it's like an ebook / activity book where you can print it out. Actually, you know, it has a planner in there, a daily content planner. You know, you could write your content ideas for the whole month. Like, it's it's the best. Like, literally, y'all been sleeping on that ebook. Like, I kind of worked hard on that ebook, you guys. So if you can click in the link and actually just, you know, check it out. Just check it out. You don't even gotta buy it. Just check it out and be like, oh wow, this looks good. So that's basically what's up with me. I just want to go over all the resources that I provide. This video was just to, you know, tell you guys all the resources that I provide. If you don't gotta buy shit, okay, I'm not gonna definitely convince you guys to, you know, invest in yourself. But if your thing is, you know, watching YouTube videos for free, okay, that's your thing. But if you're ready to take your business to the top notch, let's work, boo. Okay, like that's the channel ish I on in 2022. I want to see everybody building, okay, generational wealth. Don't even just talk about it. I want my business to be successful, but what are you doing? Why didn't you post today? Why are you not making TikToks? Why are you not making reels? Like, you know, things like that. So if you're into going to the top notch, definitely check out the description box below. Even if you're not buying anything, you know, just check it out, see what it is, what you like, and let me know. Comment down below some other resources I should do, like if I should do another book. Oh, I forgot to say I have my courses. Like, I have so much stuff. Okay, but if you're into, you know, being your own supplier, as well as you know, making your own phone cases, or want to learn to make your own phone cases, I do have my courses as well, where I do a 3D phone cases and a tempered glass phone case, giving you all my printer settings, my Photoshop settings, which you don't need Photoshop really, but you do need specific print settings for Sublimation. So I'll link that all in the description box below. I think I'm done. Y'all probably like, girl, no, for real, I'm done though. Like, it is what it is. You either want to upgrade or you want to stay where you was last year. The only way you can do something different, if you wake up every morning and say, hey, my camera died, y'all, but I was tired of sitting in that position anyway. But I'm about to close out this video. But like I was saying, like, in order for you to change, in order for your business to change, you gotta wake up every morning and say, hey, let me make this smallest change. Whatever it is. If I walk in the morning, you know, posting as soon as you get up, you know, the smallest of changes make a big difference, the biggest difference. So make a change today. Don't wait till Monday or next week Monday or the Monday after that. No, today. Do something different, okay, y'all? But that is the end of the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful first quarter, y'all. Drop your goals in the comments, okay? Literally. If you guys ever need anything, make sure to DM me on Instagram at TechWithNath and follow your girl, period. But I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.